Hey, coffee enthusiasts! We're back with another dose of knowledge about the art of brewing the perfect coffee in just 5 minutes. Welcome aboard this aromatic and delightful journey. So, without further ado, let's dive into the complete guide. Step 1. Choosing the right coffee beans. Start by selecting fresh, high-quality coffee beans. Opt for a blend that suits your personal taste, and don't forget to grind them just before brewing to preserve all the flavors and aromas. Step 2. Water heating at the right temperature. Water temperature is crucial for a perfect extraction. Use a thermometer to ensure the water is between 195–205 degree F, 90–96 degrees C. If you don't have a thermometer, keep a close eye and wait for a minute after boiling. Step 3. Proper coffee-to-water ratio. Maintain the perfect balance by using 1 to 2 tablespoons of coffee for every 6 ounces of water. This ratio is the key to a robust and flavorful cup. Step 4. Quick brewing methods. Pour over or French press. Pour over. Place the filter in the pour-over cone, add ground coffee, and pour hot water in circular motions. This helps evenly saturate the coffee. French press. Add ground coffee, hot water, stir, and wait for a precise 4 minutes for a perfect infusion. Slowly press down, filtering the coffee. Step 5. Sensory appreciation of coffee. Pour the liquid gold into your favorite mug. Add milk, cream, or sugar as per your taste. Lift the mug to your nose, inhale deeply, and savor every sip, letting the rich flavors envelop you. Extra tips. Experiment with grind sizes. Adjust the grind size according to the chosen brewing method, coarser for drip methods and finer for immersion methods like the French press. Equipment maintenance. Keep your tools clean. A clean coffee maker or press ensures each cup is a fresh and unique experience. And there you have it, folks, the complete guide to brewing the perfect coffee in just 5 minutes. If this video was helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more coffee content, and share your own tips and tricks in the comments. May each cup be a celebration of flavor.